Okay, reject retains the values in list without the elements that the truth test passes. The opposite of filter. Yeah, the opposite of filter. So basically, in this example, they are rejecting the even numbers, as you can see. So I have it here. So if any number of these mod 2 is equal to 0, just reject it from the list. So we will have only the odds. So let me run it. Oops. Node reject. Yes, we are only having the odds. So this one is also really simple. So reject 2 will be equal to a function that accepts list, function, and context. And I'll define a result array. And for each one that our function will returns it true, we won't put it in the list. So if our function returns false for that element, we will put it in the result array, right? I think in the code will make more sense. So I'll call the function pass, oops. So for in, so I will do it in the array. So for each key, which is the index in the list, so if I will call the function pass the element, the current element, the key, and the list itself. So if this is returns it true, I need to reject it, right? A good way to do this without extra logic, just put not, right? So if this returns true, I will put it as not, and this won't be added to the list, because here I will put res.push the list, the current element. Yeah, so for example, the number 1, when mod 2 is not equal to 0, so this will return false, not false, which is true. So I will put this to the result, which means it's an odd number. At the end, I will just return this, but I need to handle the context. So it's almost always the same thing. So if context, let's do this. Okay, so if I'll call the function. Yeah, let me just copy paste. I remove the not, but I will do it. I will return it. Call context, and all of this I will put it inside an parentheses to make it an expression. Put not at the beginning. Okay, I can do the same example. It will also work in array of objects, since you are passing the function. I am passing the current element to the function. You can do whatever you want in it with it. So odds2 will use the reject to and display it. Let me console log a couple of empty lines, which is nice. Correct. Okay, thank you.